Your car was running fine, but then DHIS happened.
Welcome back to Road Titan. Today, we're fixing high fuel consumption.
If you see these signs, your car is crying for help.
Let's not ignore it. Safety first, let's pull over and check. At first glance, it looks like a major problem. But is it?
There it is. This tiny part is causing all the trouble.
To fix this, you'll need these basic tools. No fancy gear required.
Remember, safety is our priority. Always wear your gear.
First, we need to remove the housing to get to the core.
Look at the wear and tear. This is why your car was failing.
This part controls the flow. When it clogs, everything stops.
Old versus new, you can see the difference immediately.
A clean engine is a happy engine. Never skip the cleaning step. Now, we slide the new one in, make sure it seats perfectly. Tighten it up, but don't overdo it, just enough to be secure.
Always double check your work before closing the hood.
The moment of truth, listen to that smooth engine sound. No more lights, no more issues, we are back in business. The performance is back to 100%. That's the Road Titan way. Fixed and ready, hit subscribe for more repair guides. See ya!